We are still busy today here in the weather department, Marie. We're talking about severe thunderstorm risk and also a flood risk through the rest of the day. Severe storms, the primary damage here, primary risk rather, is wind damage later today. A flood watch continues all day into tonight for several more inches of rain for some of us. The hazards there, flooded roads and high flows in our rivers. Remember, never drive through a flooded roadway. We saw some problems this morning on the Kennedy during the rush hour. Severe storm threat, it's lower than yesterday, but still a 2 out of 5 all across our viewing area in terms of threats there, except for the high flooding risk. Hail and tornadoes are actually low threats today. It's wind damage that we could see a couple of instances from storms, especially later on in the afternoon and evening. Here's a low pressure still spinning out in Nebraska. Ahead of it, southwest flow. This is warm, it's moist, it's humid, and we have all these embedded disturbances firing up some rain and thunderstorms. Right now, pretty widespread rain slowly shifting east of the city of Chicago for now, but moderate to heavy rain and some stronger thunderstorms down near Rensselaer. Small hail and lightning, the only current threats with those. They are not severe at this time. Next couple of hours, some waves of light rain still possible in Chicago, so umbrella weather for your lunch plans. That's a safe plan. Later today, we get a little break. That'll allow the atmosphere to recharge and heat up a little bit and possibly set the stage for another line or complex of storms to come in later. These could have wind damage, dangerous lightning, and flooding rainfall. Overnight into tomorrow, we get a little break. Tomorrow morning, we actually get a shift in the wind direction, bringing in cooler air and a couple of showers. The rest of the day looks pretty uneventful before a push of cool lakeside air comes in tomorrow evening. On Friday morning, we start off with some fog near the lake, but look at this beautiful day. Gusty south winds, a mix of clouds and sun. Late Friday evening, though, we have another weather alert. Look at this big complex of weakening severe thunderstorms pushing in by 10, 11 o'clock. These, again, are not going to impact your daytime plans at all Friday. This is mainly an evening thing. Severe storm threat on Friday, currently highest well out to our west. We're hoping that as we lose daytime heating with the overnight arrival, the storms could be on a weakening trend, but they still bear watching. Summing up that next weather alert on Friday night, the daytime is beautiful. 81, warm sunshine, that's it. But severe storms push in after 9 p.m. that could have wind damage, large hail, and an isolated tornado. We will keep you posted on that. In the meantime, today we're up to 75 with rounds of strong storms and a flood risk. Overnight tonight, can't rule out more flooding with showers and storms continuing and a low of 60. Tomorrow, warm south of the city, but along the immediate lakeshore, we get that lakeside cooling effect that could even mean jacket weather by evening. Weather alert today, another one on Friday, but it's cool, windy, and calm this weekend.